Had a request to see what this 1941 Silvertone 2312 sounded like. Now that it's all working. It's all the way up. That's what it looks like, sounds like, in case you're just wondering, in the back. It's got 6V6 for about 5 to 7 watts, 5YE tube rectifier, so it sags. And she needs some new filter caps and a new handle, and that's pretty much the end of it.